Okay, here we are again. Another Retrotech 20p arcade challenge. It's been a while. Put game for this. Back in. Beat 'em up masses. Yeah, you know, good game. Not remembered as fondly as say Double Dragon, but you know, it's a beast in itself. Data East game. Yeah, I'll be talking through some of the things that I read, that I remembered and shit. So, yeah, let's get started. So, I think it was the first Lost Prophets. Oh yeah, Ronald Reagan was president when this came out, and he gets kidnapped, and you've got to rescue him, like you do. Not a good start. So yeah, first Lost Prophets single was a tribute to this and Shinobi. Dragon Ninja versus Shinobi versus Dragon Ninja. Yeah. Unfortunate what happened to the lead singer, but there you go. It was a good song. Apparently one of the first games to have cutscenes in it, and also created memes. Had to cross over Bad Guy, which is the boss that's coming up soon. He was in Karak or something like that. Yeah, remaining social distance there. I'm bad. Bad enough to rescue the president, so to say. So I think this came out in... Oh, that's good. You carry on the weapon across stage. That's very unusual. So, yeah. What was I saying? Moving platforms was very unique at the time. Also, the two-player game was good. Is it Blade and Strike? The name of the two characters who look very similar to each other, I think. Oh, I didn't want that. Bugger. Oh. I'm gonna fall down now, aren't I? Nope. Could have done with that knife. That is unfortunate. Yeah, there's some sort of special if you hold the button down. I haven't quite worked out how it works yet. Or even why you need it, because most bad guys one hit and they're dead. Come on, get it. I'm not even doing it right. Oh, there we go. Pathetic punch. safe from falling off, which I have done many a time. Maintain as much of a social distance this time. But there you go. This game was long before 88, I think it came out. Also on many formats, and there was an arcade, a tiny arcade version of this, which would have been really cool if not for the fact that it was based on a NES game rather than the arcade, which is a bit annoying. When you want the arcade version, you want the arcade version, you don't want the NES version, which I never get with these retro games. Doing the NES versions, I think it's something to do with aspect ratio, costs, size, etc. Oh dear. And we're in the sewers. Of course, you can't have a beat 'em up level without being in the sewers. It's like the law. It has to be in the sewers. Or it's not a beat 'em up. Streets of Rage 4. That's in the sewers. At one point. That's proving my point. How the fuck does this power up work? I don't get it. I didn't realise I could do a kick. There goes my first credit. Come on. Okay, I'm just using the weapons. I didn't get past this guy in the practice run. Come on, you ninja. Oh, you motherfucker. We keep missing each other. Come on, COVID-19. That's what I'm calling you. Yeah. This is further than I got last time. Yay. Let's go to the next stage. I'm happy with this. With a lot more practice, I reckon I could have done a lot better than this, but as per usual, leaving it till the last fucking minute. Get what you get. Oh yeah, this was in Arcade Cabinet, was featured in Robocop 2, the film. Ocean Software did a port of this, and of course Ocean known for Robocop ports, amongst many other things. Got it, motherfucker. Burning now. You're on fire, mate. I haven't seen any of the other videos. No doubt this is not the top, but we'll see. If I'm not last, I'll be happy. I was meant to finish this game, but it's actually quite long. I've beaten up. I never got around to it. Oh, I ended up cutting it off before time. Somehow do something wrong. Novel having women in it and not calling them transgender like they did in the final fight. Because you can't be beating women up. It's not equality, is it? Of course you can beat women up. I mean, it's not advised. But if they're coming at me with a fucking knife, then they're getting a smack. That's all I'm saying. Come on. Ah, typical. Huh? Come on. I like the way he just floated in the air there. Totally natural. Is that me done? Yep. It's me done. I'm semi-satisfied with that. Can't remember any more facts, so that's me done for the challenge. I shall upload this